Hello hey guys, the new problem, the PlayStation, the website is not working. The PlayStation network has been server down, the PlayStation game and downloading problem, the most reporting problems, the most location problems and most reporting problem, the server down and downloading and gameplay, the comment audio reason, the check, the downloading is slowly is guys have this same issue. PlayStation network is down, please fix. The website is this open and not working. This website, the PlayStation network is not working. This page is not working. The error problems,